vertical stream. So that should be live on YouTube and on Twitch. I am live vertical and horizontal on YouTube. Let's see if my stream looks good in the Twitch app as well. It's looking like it's outputting all fine. Hey, welcome on in, Skeleton Bow. I am outputting the horizontal and the vertical just fine. Now YouTube is accepting them both. I looked for Western effect for OBS, nada. Both browser source and YouTube. I would look at. Let me share my screen. To like shader toy and just look up Western there, and maybe there's some effect in there that you might like. Like this one might be the effect you are looking for. I don't know. I'm not sure what you call Western and how that would look. If you have any link to an example how it should look for you, then maybe I can help you find out how you can make that. It's like a color style for the camera. Then you just need let me run an OBS so that I can show you. Let's remove vertical images. A manageable size. And let's do filters. Use define shader. Let's see what we got for that kind of color. We could do like this one and just change the colors up a bit like this, and then you're already getting close to that effect. But you can play with the sliders to get all different colors. All kind of effects, just depending on what you want. That was the Tetra shader. Use define shader, and then this one. But if you are just looking at changing the colors, you can also look at how is that filter called? Should be somewhere in this list. There should be some filter. LUT filter, and you can just Google Western LUT. And then you should be able to find some LUTs, and that you can apply in OBS. That is another way to affect that color. Let's see if the stream is now working correctly on YouTube, because I see an error on YouTube. And YouTube Studio gives me a message, but it's looking fine. So not sure what's complaining about. That so it looks like I'm sending a vertical stream to Twitch, but I think the player cannot display that yet, because in the resolutions I now don't get the option. No, it's just the horizontal version that it's showing. Let's see. Speed is going fine. I have 0 dropped frames, so that's all looking good. Yes. Then, if all the multi-stream tests are going fine, I can look at some code for the record rename. I was working on that. Especially the remixing. And I made a variable automatic remixing. Let's see where I use that. It's used here, but it's never set, so we must add that to the menu somewhere. And let's see where we need to add that. Somewhere here. It's a setting, and we want setting there. Hey, welcome on in, Steve's very own. I'm good today. Thank you for asking. Then we need something like this. And this is and then in save config. The auto remixing. Doing long work but taking a break at the moment. Yeah. Long work is important. Glad you can join me during your break. This should be this setting. Let's see if that is working. If I enable it and go there again, it's still enabled. I can set the default to false. And then if I open OBS again, it's enabled. If I disable it again, restart. Let's see. This should be copied, and we should put that in the resource file. Now let's go here. I think it should be like that. Yeah, and before, so oh shit. At the moment. Let's see how that looks in the menu. Let's add a separate bit there. That is working. Let's see if we like the changes. That's the single file remix thread. Welcome in, Codex here. All gardening, yeah. Let's see that we only rename the file when it's changed. I still have to do this to do. I'm not done with this. I can remove this extra line. This can be removed. So let's implement that to do. That's, it says it's a to do, but the line after that already does it. Let's try and see if we get there. So we must do a recording with multiple split files and then do a rename, and then it should do the remixing automatically after that. So first we go to our recording settings and we recording for MKV, that is just fine, and we do automatic file splitting on 1 minute. We check if we have it record rename enabled. We start recording and then we let's see if we get recording files. Yes, there's a recording file here that it's creating now, and in a bit it should switch to the second file. Yes, switch to a second file. So when I stop the recording now, I should get a pop-up. Testbed Remix, 2 files. Okay. And I didn't enable automatic remixing, so I need to do the test again. Starts recording. And let's see if we get some files. The renaming worked. Move this old recording. We are 30 seconds in to this recording, so we should get a new file about 20 seconds or so. Created a new file. If I stop the recording, that is looking good. That's also looking good. Let's see if it remixed the files. Looks like it did. Yeah. So that is working. So now let's see. Let's push those changes. And let's see if a GitHub will build those changes. I did the version already, yes. So when this build is done, I can make a release. I think let's see what we added since then. Yeah, some nice new features. Let's create. Welcome in, Stargate Blue. I just started playing around with your Move plugin. Absolutely incredible. It changed my setup, the whole setup for the better. Glad you like it. What part of the Move plugin are you using? Are you using mainly just the Move transition, or are you using Move source filters, or are you using more advanced stuff like the NVIDIA AR Move? Or just using all of it? Let's see. Put that in here, just as a transition for now. I'm still getting my head around all of the transition features. Yeah, there are some good videos, YouTube videos about it. So I think I can copy like most of this. And then go to documentation here and post it in here. Is that? Yeah, it's all uppercase, lowercase. It's already the correct format. Let's can edit this in a text editor faster. And I want to replace this. And then there should be the other one is executable. And that should be let's put those new ones, special ones, in the front. That should be it. This is building fine, so we want to download all those. There, and that's this. And now we download it. Then we can make them so that we can upload them here again. Let's see. Mac builds in one zip file. That should be 3 Mac builds, one zip file. Let's put the Linux build in a zip file. Zip file. That is the Linux build. And for the Windows build, I need to sign some Thank you for the lurk. Let's see. The Windows build. Let's print the package and let's sign the DLL. That's the 64-bit one. And let's sign the 32-bit one. Let's create an installer. That should be fine. That should be. And let's assign the installer. Let's make sure, do an extra check, we don't provide any virus. That's all looking good. Then we can attach the files. We can check this one last time. So that is uploaded. Then we also can make a release here. That is that part done. Let's run it and capture a nice screenshot for Twitter and Blue Sky for an update message. Sure, background is all clear. Let's crop that image. And let's post a message. Blue sky, let's see. Let's open the browser here so you can see it. That, and then we can grab this image. And we can grab this link. And let's also make a Twitter post. That should be the post on Twitter. And not that I use it much, but I can also put the post on Mastodon. And also we put the image there. Hey, welcome on in, Controversial. What's going on? I just released an update to the record rename plugin, and I'm putting out a message on the social about the update. So I have put a message on Blue Sky, Twitter, and Mastodon. So that should be enough. Does the record rename work for replay buffer file names for source record? Yes, it should. Yeah. I can verify that very easily. Let's do a source record on this scene and then use replay buffer. And now the replay buffer should be running, so I need to set a hotkey. Let's see, hotkey, and there should be this one. So if we press this one, we get the rename file pop-up, and we can rename it to yeah, and the breakpoint still works, but if I now go to my video files, you can see the saved replay and the automatic remixing that I have enabled here. One gripe with source record right now is that when I clip something from source record replay buffer, I want it to save a suffix for replay. Let's see. Source record. It creates a replay output of type replay buffer. These for now. Let's see. It has a default format that's used, I think. So we might want to override this format. I don't think it has a prefix. No. So I need to set the format for that. Maybe not just a suffix or prefix, but just general set the whole format, and then it should be fine. Because then you can type any prefix or suffix or some text in between or anything you want. Because there is some format in here, right? Yeah. Does the record rename pop up as soon as you use the hotkey for a replay buffer? Not directly, it has to save the file first before it gives the pop-up. So it saves the file on the original file name, then it shows the pop-up to rename it. So if you have a slow disk, it can take a while to show the pop-up because the saving to disk takes time. Just asking because I want to join in the new. I want to type in the new file name in the middle of a match. Yeah, that's why I added the option to disable it. So you can enable and disable the renaming. But either you rename it directly or you disable it. So because there is no good other trigger moment to rename it. I don't have a detection if you're in a match or not, and if I would have that, I would be able to delay the pop-up till after the match or something like that. But then what do you do if you have multiple replays during a match? Yeah, might get tricky. Where is... Hey, welcome on in. Abuzar Khan. Why is my YouTube chat not showing on my streamable? No ID. Let's try again. Nope. No idea. I'll read the messages from YouTube itself. That's fine. Try if I can sign in using Chrome. That seems to work better. It's just connected now. Let's see if I get... Yeah, I get the YouTube chat now. So we use the new replay file name formatting. Let's see what we do on an update. What does happen? Can I change that format? I can change the format while it's running, it seems like, so that is good. Let's get the output, get settings. That would be replay settings. OBS data set string replay settings, and that should be format, and this should be get ring settings, and that should be replay file name formatting. Let's see if that works. We created separate formats for this replay buffer, so it already did it. Nice. So add file name formatting for replay buffer. Let's see if let's check. div, just to be sure. That all looks good. macOS build seems fine. You can do it. Come on. Expect Linux build. Next. It's like 100 files. And the Windows build. It's going fine. So the Linux chip is done. Only the Windows build. I think. Hey, welcome on in, Alex the Floofy. Alex the Floofy. I don't know how to pronounce it really, but I hope it comes close. If just call me Alex. Will do. I have done all that I wanted to do for this stream, so I have tested some multi-streaming to Twitch and YouTube, and I am sending now horizontal and vertical to Twitch, to both Twitch and YouTube. And after that, I worked on the record rename plugin to support automatic remixing. And after that, I added a feature to the source record plugin to set file name format for the replay buffer specifically. So, and that is the thing that's building now here, and that's almost done. So I made the release for record rename plugin. So, and I put it out on all the socials. So yeah, not much more to work on today. So if you guys don't have any questions or things about my OBS plugins, I'm gonna find somebody to rate in a bit.